back to Chicken Gun. So I'm gonna be playing Chicken Gun for the second time. So let's do this. Oh wait, I'm supposed to go on servers. So I think I should do like the zombie thingy because these servers are half of them are sandbox, remote sandbox. So we're gonna go and play on the zombie thingy. We're gonna go on the zombie thingy. So let's go. Let's do this. Okay, we're here. We're here. So let's see if there's any zombies here. Okay, there's no zombies. Where are the zombies? Wait. There's someone died. Chickenator. Who dead? Wait. No! Oh my. Okay. Who's that? Why?